Long time no see. Quick update. I've been developing the Toro tool in my spare time while setting up a couple of projects. You can see I now have a full set of buttons and the ability to switch between departments. Each department loads its own tools and options. The little white dot in a department folder shows that a publish has been made there. From there you can select the item, whether it is a shot or an asset, pick a version, and open the scene. You also get the choice to publish before switching files or jump straight in. Here is the animatic scene for one of the trailer projects I am building. There is also a production department for general tools. The outliner stays organized with a consistent naming and color setup that comes from the studio tools. You can update the status of the current version, select a date in the calendar for reviews or approvals, and then publish. Dailies and version outputs can now be created directly through the Toro tool. You can also create or select a job for new projects. It shows the current jobs in the directory, or you can type a new job name and it will build the entire folder structure automatically. As you can see, the directory follows the same logic as the outliner. Every folder follows a clean naming system, which I am very happy about since projects can become chaotic if this is ignored. You can bulk import shots into the show, and all show data is stored in the show config folder. As I work through my current 2 projects, I am adding new tools department by department for efficiency. Once these projects are wrapped, the next one should move much faster. The important part is locking in this general tool structure. When I get time, I may record or document each department tool set as it gets built. Alrighty, have fun and see you next time.